demo of Bajaj Rex 500. New multi-purpose Bajaj Rex 500 fulfills the need of mixing, juicing and grinding. It is designed to perform various functions that makes cooking efficient and effortless. Chutney jar. Chutney jar is used to make home blend of masalas and favorite pastes. Place the jar on the main body unit of the mixer. Add all the ingredients to the jar to make hummus. Ensure that you cover the jar with lid and plug the mixer in. Remember, the substance to be ground should not be too large in size. And hummus is ready. Liquidizing jar. This jar is used to perform blending and liquidizing operations to make delicious lassi or milkshake. It is also used for puring purpose. Fill the jar with pieces of banana. Add some milk to the jar. Put the dome cap on. Turn the mixer on and serve the milkshake thick and chilled. Wet or dry grinding. Attach the jar to the main body unit of the mixer. Add in all the ingredients that needs to be ground. Ensure that the jar is covered by the flat lid. And with the turn of the mixer knob, masala will be ready. Use Bajaj Rex 500 for effortless grinding and mixing and make something awesome today.